guys, we're going to make a review of the Angry Birds fizz egg, and I'm talking while shouting. So we're going to put in this egg. So I've got a new pack of vinegar there. I'm going to use it. I need bottle. Say. You got the glass. First let's put in the food coloring. We're putting in sugar.
He said, what did I do? I didn't do anything wrong. Then you put it back together.
I think we need a bit more.
So you got the Lord.
That's enough.
So now, you complete.
Okay. I'm sorry, physics. You had to die. Oh! Stinks, man. Really stinks. Smells like very super salty chips or something. Yeah. Call the fizz egg because it's fizzing right now. Oh, wave it, 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 shake it, shake it. Ah.
Biggest one, very little salt. I'm a client. I've been going there for years. So it's very good locations. You hold about the special trees.
I'll put another one.
He said, you can't do anything. I'm going to the media. I've got nothing to do. I said, he said, how does that fall?
They got on me. Just get on my t-shirt so I won't actually die. Death has something. Ooh, it's got a little crack inside. What's this going? No. It's real. No, not this. Just make it even more fizzier.
I'm not complaining. I didn't know what this is. Oh, it's not sticky.
This one's still going. Oh, it hasn't been cracked. Oh, it's cracking. You got no toy. No. We got a
died when she was killed. And all of these animals, they look at the same.
It's something green. Maybe it's a pig.
See, in the middle of the road, you don't come right out. Police have been dead.
What does she know, or she just come to India maybe? And in India, they don't do these things,
They don't go that fast. They can't afford to go fast.
Yeah, it's a pig. It's a pig. I'm sure of it. Wash it. It's a pig. Yeah, look at all these rocks we got in here. Oh, the other one cracked. The other one cracked. It's a pig. Yeah, he looks angry. He's a puzzle rubber pig. Yeah. I'm gonna make another fizz egg with these inside. And that was my fizz egg review. And I will show you the toys that I got today. Yeah. We got he has hair, he's yellow, and he's sad. Like sad. Because got dun dun dun. Can you see your extra? You do. For the pig.
Yeah, just what
So thanks for watching. Subscribe. Come in.
Hey,
Goodbye.
what are you doing?